Hey everyone, Alex here with another Bandsaw life tip. Now in my shop you will find rare earth magnets on almost every machine I own. Whether it's large or small, I use them to stick Allen wrenches, adjustment wrenches, anything that machine needs, just so that when I need to adjust it, I'll have to go hunting for them in a toolbox. Now the smaller ones, the 5/16, are my favorites for doing something that I've shown around the country and people really seem to like it. So what we're going to do, if you'll look around, you'll notice in my shop there are pencils attached to every machine in the shop. That's because I'm always hunting for a pencil, and y'all know how that is. So what I've done is I tried attaching them with super glue, tape. They eventually come off, get sticky, and then I thought about heat shrink, which you can find at Lowe's. The Dixon pencil is my absolute favorite. It's also found at Lowe's. They're larger. I guess I'm just used to using crowns. Basically, put that piece right over the pencil, just like that. We'll take that rare earth magnet, and I'm just going to slip that right up underneath that heat shrink. It doesn't quite go all the way in, so you can't use anything metal. Use the tip of a pencil just to get it about halfway in. And then you can use a heat shrink gun, or a heat gun. You can use all kinds of different things to basically shrink the tubing. I just use a torch, keep it at a distance, and you can see just how that kind of flattens right out to that pencil. And just like that, we've got a pencil that'll stick to anything metal. And if you don't have some place to stick that pencil, well, just put a screw in there and it will stick to the screw. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.